What is up YouTube? This is Techboy 3010. I'm back with another episode. Now you see we're not in our usual surroundings. I don't have a computer. We're actually on my work table right now, and we're actually on my work table, and I just took my bare necessities, that is my video camera and this tablet and the iPad, and I got a box from somewhere. I don't actually know where is it from. It is a cardboard box. It is sealed, and I don't know where is it from. So let's just start unboxing it now, shall we? Okay, so I went and bought my knife to cut this thing open. That's it, just do it. Yep, there it is. So we can now open this thing up. You can see the first thing that you see inside the box is some kind of paperwork which is stuck to the box. I'll just move my tablet. So there is it. Some kind of paperwork is there, and first thing that you see is of course bubble wrap. The favorite part of any unpacking video, and there is something inside the wrap which I'm not able to figure out what exactly. Oh wait, okay, so can you guys see this? What is it written? I know what is this from. It's from a company called IRUSU or IRUSU. I know IRUSU it is. And this is what do you call it? The virtual reality kit. This is the virtual reality kit from IRUSU. It is basically similar to that of the Google Cardboard, and I'm basically unboxing a Google Cardboard, which is from a different company. That's it. And pretty compact, and it has good velcros and all this stuff. Let me go in detail to this thing. We have an elastic band right there, which is nice for an overhead experience. You don't want to always hold this in your hands. Then we got 2 bi-convex lenses for the experience, and here we have a neodymium magnet, which is supposedly the strongest magnet in the world. We have velcros, 2 over here and 2 over here for the phone to sit in place. This is where your phone grips. We got a rubber thing right over here which is for grip, and we got a hole here which is for the camera. Now it looks fantastic. Unfortunately this video is only for unboxing purposes. I will review this how do you pronounce this? IRUSU Cardboard, iCardboard, and I will post another video about that. This is just the first impression about the cardboard. Looks pretty good to me. I mean, this is like a poor man's virtual reality kit. So, and see, it is waterproof, rain, you gotta protect it from rain, handle with care, and it is made of 20% reused things, and it contains a magnet, which is right over here, and there is also a magnet inside, which I don't know whether you guys can see or not, but there it is. There's one magnet over there. So that is how it works, and you keep your phone in there. So unfortunately I didn't bring my phone. I bought my tablet instead, which obviously seems too big to fit in there. So anyways guys, this is the IRUSU iCardboard. If you guys want to buy this thing, then go to this website if you're from India, irusu.co.in, or go to www.doors2vr.com. So from there you can buy, or else you can directly go and buy the Google Cardboard. But the only thing is these IRUSU's ones have an enhanced have various enhanced features in their virtual reality kit compared to that of the Google Cardboard. So well, that is pretty much it, guys. Thank you again for watching. If you like this video, please click the like button down below, and also subscribe to my channel. It helps my channel grow. Comment any queries or what do you want my next video to be about down below in the comment section. That is all for today, guys. This is Techboy 3010 signing out. Peace.